Alright, let's pull two poly packs from this 1985 Donruss oversized poly pack box. Picked this up from McNulty Sports Cards, my usual place. About 99% of the stuff I pick up is going to be at either McNulty Sports Cards in Stuart, Florida, or eBay. The other 1% is going to be at Target or Walmart, and that's mostly for the newer stuff. Let's pull two packs out of the box. These are going to be 3-card packs. You know what? Let's pull 4 because there's only 3 cards in each pack. Let's pull 4 packs out of the box. What the hell? Oh, look at that, Damaso Garcia, and then here's another Damaso Garcia. All right, 4 poly packs out the box, and there's a total of 36 in this box. Apparently it's a 60-card series, and it's got the Lou Gehrig puzzle in them, which must have been the puzzle from back in 85. Now, we've pulled some out of this box before. Looks like there was some, what do they call them, weevils? Something or another that ate some of the cardboard on the box. The problem that we run into with these cards is the puzzle tends to leave its mark on the card it's next to, and in this case this is not looking good because this back one almost looks like it's a Nolan Ryan card. But let's see what we can get. All right, pack number 1. We can get to it. There we go. Here is that Lou Gehrig puzzle piece. We pulled a Pedro Guerrero. Pascual Perez, Juices and Berries. Lloyd Mosby, Phil Niekro. Oh, nice. Don Mattingly. That is key. Look at that. That's awesome. Unfortunately, we've got some card puzzle piece imprint on the back of the Don Mattingly. Man, that sucks. What are you going to do, right? Number 2. Here is our Lou Gehrig puzzle piece for this pack. We picked up Dan Quisenberry, another Phil Niekro. Nice, there it is. That made up for it. There's our Don Mattingly. And no puzzle imprint imprint on the back. That's sweet. The gods are looking upon us, folks. Dave Parker and Mike Marshall. And Mike Marshall took the puzzle piece imprint on the back. We'll take that. All right, pack number 3. Our Lou Gehrig puzzle piece. Pack number 3 yields another Lloyd Mosby. Getting some doubles. A 3rd Phil Niekro. What the hell? Butch Weinegar. Dave Kingman. And finally, Tony Gwynn. Oh, look at that young Tony Gwynn. Rest in peace to him. I always forget to say rest in peace because unfortunately he passed away. And also, unfortunately, Tony took the hit on the puzzle piece imprint. All right, last pack for 1985 Donruss All-Stars. These are oversized cards, as you can tell from the puzzle pieces are regular size, but the cards themselves are oversized. And the way I'm getting into this pack, you'd think I've never gotten into a poly pack before. There's our Lou Gehrig puzzle piece. picked up Damaso Garcia. I think this is the second one we've pulled in this video. Eric Shaw. Leon Durham. Jeff Zahn. And fortunately, there's our Nolan Ryan. That is awesome. Unfortunately, he took the hit on the puzzle piece imprint. But back to fortunately, I'm pretty sure I've pulled this card before without a puzzle piece imprint, so that's good. And this is going to be at least, I think this is a couple dollar card right here. Well, minus the imprint, it would have been a couple dollar card. All right, folks, there you have it. 4 packs of Donruss 85 All-Stars. I'm sorry, Action All-Stars. Oversized cards, 3 card packs with 1 puzzle piece. 1 puzzle card, 3 puzzle pieces. All right, from the box, no less. All right, thanks for watching and stay safe.